Hawks are part of the Accipitridae family, which also includes eagles, kites, and buzzards. They're known for their sharp eyesight, strong talons, and ability to fly at high speeds. Let's dive in and discover more about these fascinating creatures. Hawks come in various sizes, with some species being as small as a sparrow and others as large as an eagle. They're known for their distinctive hunting style, which involves diving from high altitudes to catch their prey. Hawks are also skilled at soaring, gliding, and hovering, allowing them to cover large distances while conserving energy. Hawks are often seen perched on trees or power lines, surveying their surroundings for potential prey. They have a keen sense of hearing and can detect the smallest movements, making them excellent hunters. Hawks' eyes are also adapted for long-distance vision, allowing them to spot prey from great distances. When it comes to their diet, hawks primarily eat small mammals, birds, and reptiles. They're also known to scavenge for food, especially during the winter months when food is scarce. Hawks are migratory birds, meaning they travel long distances to find food and breeding grounds. Hawks are important to their ecosystems as they help control the populations of smaller animals. They also play a role in the food chain, serving as a food source for larger predators like owls and humans. So, there you have it, little ones. Hawks are incredible birds that play a vital role in our ecosystems. I hope you enjoyed learning about them as much as I did. Remember to always respect and appreciate nature's wonders. Thank you for joining me on this educational journey. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun and educational content. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.